Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook using your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on the three lines at the top left corner. After that, tap on settings and privacy option. Now tap on settings. Then just scroll down. After that, tap on blocking. Now here you will see the list of people you have blocked on Facebook. Here you select the person that you want to unblock. Then tap on the unblock button next to their name. After that, tap on unblock again to confirm. Keep in mind that if you want to block this person again, you will need to wait 48 hours. And that's it. The selected person has been successfully unblocked on your Facebook account. After unblocking someone, they will be able to view your profile and send you messages again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Quick to Quicker.